Hello YouTube and welcome to my tutorials. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to turn your computer system, either your desktop or your laptop computers, into a Wi-Fi hotspot using the command prompt. There is absolutely no software needed in this process. So let's get started. Keep watching. The first thing you're going to do is open up command prompt as an administrator. To do that, click on the start menu below this, the screen of your laptop left, and then in the search box over here, search for CMD. Here we go, you got it. So you're going to right click on this CMD and run as an administrator. Very important. If you do not run it as an administrator, I can assure you that it's not going to work out for you. It's not going to work. So you have to run it as an administrator. Good. Now you have CMD open up as an administrator. See administrator, see Windows System 32 CMD.x. Yeah. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in netshare. That's NETSH network. That's network share. Netshare space WLAN space set space hosted network space key equals to the key here. Basically the key stands for the password of your hotspot. It can be anything. It can be your name. It can be anything. It's a password that will be required before once you log into your Wi-Fi hotspot. It can be anything, but it must be 8 digits. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using from 1 to 8. So the key is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and hit enter. So you see what it says? It says the user key passphrase of the hosted network has been successfully changed. So that means it has taken that. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is you're going to type in netshare again. Netshare space WLAN space set space hosted network space mode equals to allow. Hit enter. It says the hosted network mode has been set to allow. That's good. We are making progress. Away from that, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to type in again netshare NETSH space WLAN space set space hosted network space SSID is equals to SSID. Here stands for service set identifier. This is going this is basically the name, the identity of your Wi-Fi. Anything you put here as the SSID is what each time devices search for nearby Wi-Fi's, the name they're going to use to identify your Wi-Fi hotspot is what is going to appear. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using TB Tech we're going to be using TB Tech as our SSID. But it can be anything. It can be your name, it can be the name of your wife, the name of your daughter, whatever, anything. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using TB Tech. So our SSID is equal to TB Tech. Now go ahead and hit the enter key. Now see what it says down below. It says the SSID of the hosted network has been successfully changed. Away from that, the next thing you're going to do is to start the hosted network. So, you know, after setting up everything, it's not going to work until when you start it. So, what you're going to be doing now is to type in netshare space WLAN space start space hosted network. Netshare space WLAN space start hosted network. Go ahead and hit the enter key and see what it says. The hosted network started. That's good. That is to tell you that our Wi-Fi hotspot has now been started. From this from this moment, if you have either an Android phone or a laptop or any Wi-Fi enabled device, use it to search for nearby Wi-Fi's, and then you are going to see the name, whichever SSID that you set here, and when you try to log into that Wi-Fi, it's going to ask you for password, and if you put the key, if you key in the password you use to set this one up here, if you put it in there, you're going to have access, and then you see the hotspot is set. So the next thing you're going to be doing now is to check the information, to check all the information of your Wi-Fi hotspot. So you're going to type in netshare space WLAN space show space hosted network and then you go ahead and hit the enter key. So you see our hosted network settings. You see the mode is set to allow the SSID name, that's TB Tech, that we inputted over there, and then the authentication, you see WPA2 personal. You see the cipher CCMP, and the maximum number of clients is 8. As you can see, the status, it has started. BSS ID, see it over here, and then the radio type is this, the channel 7, number of clients now is 0 because you did not have this, nobody connected to your Wi-Fi yet. That is why it's still 0. So anytime you want to check who is connected to your network, you can just enter this command netshare space WLAN space show space hosted network, and then you're going to see the network settings of your Wi-Fi Hotspot.